Hi, it's Loan from Google Tech, and today let's go save Mr. Iron Tiger legs using FreeCAD. So here is the Lego compatible bridge that I wanted to make. It's very similar to the 2x1 bricks of Lego. It's just like have more fillet here and here. The most important part is the part of the spherical joint right here. What happened is keep breaking in a robot like you see. So after so many time of trying to fix it, I decided I can just redesign, make it more robust in here. It use on the standard dimension of Lego, but you need to check your brick if you want to make it to use with that. Okay, I just make a very quick example, and we use the reference measurement that I measured from the brick that I have. So this is the piece here. We can create a new one. Okay, and we can sketch here in XY plane. I know that my brick is 15.6 and the width is 7.8, so I can just go to reference and add a triangular here. So we know we want this to be symmetrical, so from here to here, here. Okay, and we know the dimension, so it's here is 7.8. And this one is 15.6 millimeter, so that we have this one. Now if we have the reference rectangle, we're gonna go back to the main drawing so we can draw the base of it. Okay, so one click on here and here, kind of here. Okay, and we want it more like to here. Okay, this always happen like redundant constraint. We can just simply need to delete it, so it should be fine. Okay, now it's good. Let's back to this here. So it's here. We want this one and this one to be tangent. So that side and this side tangent. We also want this and this collinear, which is also tangent in the FreeCAD. So close. Now we have this one, and I know the thickness is 3.2, so we're gonna part it for 3.2 millimeter. Okay, so that's the first part is done. Now we need the two knobs on the top, like this part here. So we can sketch right from here. Sketch. Okay, so we're gonna add the circular here. Then we both sides of it. Okay, I try to do fast so that we can get to this easily. We need these two to be equal, so equal here, and add dimension for it. This should be 4.8. It's the Lego standard, and then we also want this and this and this. Wait, okay. Either you put these two symmetric and through this point, or we can use this outside as reference. So we can choose reference geometry here. We can pick this and also this. And now we just need to do this and this, coincident, and this coincident. So now we have the thing concentric with the outside like we have before. Of course, this is not the Lego tie, it's just a variation of Lego tie that compacts with it. So close. We can extrude this. Is usually 1.6, so I parted 1.6 millimeter. So then we have the top. Now from the bottom of the Lego, you will see here, it's only have this one here. Let me see. I don't remember the dimension, but we can check it right now. Let me see. Okay, so it's also 1.6 and 3.2. So let's stand out. Okay, look, close it. We do the same here. So from this side, we need to cut it first. Okay, leave out to the top like the other one. Then we add the knob come out. Now we can just sketch here, Now we need to use this side, but we offset this inside. So I don't know, just go with maybe this one is easier. Here, okay, here, and this one. Okay, it's always have this kind of thing. I know what's happened with the slot, but anyway, we can just need to delete the 8 one. Then it should be 5. Just FreeCAD still need to work on their thing. Anyway, we can use the same reference from here, okay, and here. Now we just need to this one coincident, and this coincident. Now we just need to add this dimension here. In my case, this one is around 5.2, okay, so we're gonna add the 5.2. Let's see, D from here to here. 85.2. Actually, it should be 5. Okay, yeah, it's only 5. So good. So this one is closed. Now we're gonna cut this on the way in. Pocket it. We got no pockets, only 1.6, so it's halfway. Okay. Now we can sketch on here to create the thing that's the knob in the middle, like we said. So here we need one of 3.2 and this one of 1.6. Go to dimension is 3.2, 3.2, and this one is 1.6, like we have. Close. So then we just need to extrude it or pat it to the surface here, and we choose instead here up to face, and we choose this face. So we have this thing here. Now more or less we have the 2x1 type of Lego. The brick is here. Now we add the modified part, which is like the part of the spherical spot joint that you can see here. We can put on the side. You can sketch from here. Okay. I'm gonna add the thing come out first, the rods come out first. So it's gonna be a circle like here. Okay. Okay. That one, the type, that thing, the dimension is how much? Let me see. I don't remember exactly the dimension. The scale model here. This part is here. The part is sketch. Yeah, it's 2.4. So that based on what measurement is 2.4. So here, close. Model sketch 7. Okay, we want it right in the middle of this one. Okay, so I'm gonna put a reference point line here. Actually, yeah, it should set it at midpoint. It should be fine too. So just add dimension for this is 2.4. Okay, then we can just need to add the reference. Let's say here. Okay, done. Then we add a constraint from here to here. Okay, sorry, we don't need this. So that's equal on here. Back to the sketch. Okay, we need to change it to reference because we're gonna do the reference now. We got to put a point reference line like this. Okay, so whatever. Okay, it's vertical one. We want. Oh, this already midpoint here. Now you see we can move this. We can add a constraint this to here. Coincident here. Now it's good. We need to extrude this out. Up. So 3 millimeter. Okay, now it's the most important part. A little bit tricky, but we see. So from here, we need the spherical gonna be all over this. So my idea is from this surface, we sketch like a semicircle, and then we rotate it around. You do a revolution around for 360 degrees. So let's go to here. We need to create a plan somewhere around here. We just need to create a plan that halfway up to here. No, from here to here is 3.2, so this is gonna be 1.6. So we chose this, we add the blend into it, then we can move in the Z direction on a mouse of 1.6, like you can see, or minus 1.6 actually. Okay, flip side. Okay, so now we can sketch on this plan the semicircle, and then we can rotate around this, so we can sketch on here through the plan here. Okay, right, from here we can sketch a circle, which is here. I'm gonna do that here. We don't want it to be big or small here, so I know that the diameter of this one is let me see, the diameter of that one, it should be like 3.2 because it's right on the top and the bottom of the piece here. So when you put it on the floor, it has to be flat, right? So I know this it should be 3.2. The diameter is here a 3.2 because it's 2.6. Okay, and then we need to measure the distance of it from here. Let's say we can use the reference here at the reference. Okay. We want it to be the dimension from here to here. Okay, we want it this way. Okay, I'm gonna put it 3.2. Is it too small? It's okay, it looks good. Okay, now this one, if we rotate it, we need to cut it in half to make a semicircle so that it can rotate along its axis. Okay, what is this one? Okay, so this one is empty, so I can delete it. Sketch 1. Now we can edit the sketch 6. Let me hide this one because it's bothering me. Okay, so here now we can make a line. First make it to the one so it's easier for you to see. Make a line from here to here. Okay, then is the line fixed? Yeah, it's rotated out here, but we want it to be in the middle also, so it should be changed. Okay, now we can cut the other side off using the trim tool here. Cut here, and it is good. Now it's good. Now we can just revolute this one around the edges. Okay, so you can choose this one, and then you have something like this. Okay, so that's it. That's how you create the spherical part showing in here. Now what we need to do is to add some fillet so that it looks smooth and nice. Okay, so I can add the fillet here. This one is important to add fillet because it's gonna block into the other piece. So that's it part. And also I want to add here to give it more strength. The other one that they use mold injection, they don't have that curvy of fillet, so it's very easy to break right at that point. 0.3 will be good. Nice. Okay, fine. Save. Let's say it's a FreeCAD 7. Let's say this is a FreeCAD episode 7, 8. Okay, so we have the brick, and that's it. You can start go print. I'm gonna just put in the process slicer and go print, and then we can try to test with our model. So thanks to FreeCAD and 3D printing, Mr. Iron Tiger can be superhero again. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. Happy making!